Mike, tell the crowd why Juice with Screws has been on hiatus.
I've been doing plumbing too much lately. Real work.
So Mike's been too busy working.
Yep.
So our last Sunday episode was Super Bowl Sunday. Mike called the winner. So
I did call the winner, didn't I?
He did. Mike called the winner. Kudos to Mike. He wins nothing.
Nothing! You lose! Good day, sir!
And since then, it's been what, 2 weeks? It's been a while.
Yeah.
Mike's been working too much on the weekends. So
We're back.
we're back on a Monday night at like 6 o'clock. And we'll see how much sheetrock we can get done.
We sheetrocking over the sheetrock. I don't feel like demoing all this stuff. So what we did was we marked the center of our stud, snapped the string line. Obviously the two outside edges, you know where there is. But in
Where
the
the
center.
studs are.
So we only have 8-foot boards, so we're gonna land on this one first. And then we'll have a short piece, and then we'll go from this one over to here, and then we'll have a short piece. But you want to land on the center of the stud, so when you put your butt joint up against it, you can hit screws on each stud. It's real important. And we're going to glue behind it too. So basically all we're doing is laminating the existing sheetrock. Because I have 2 electrical boxes, 2 HVAC registers I have to cut in, but I just get the holes close and then I roto zip the rest of it out afterwards. Little helpful hint, like when we do these pieces here, like it's my last piece until it hits this wall, and there's sheetrock gonna be coming up this wall, 1/2 inch. So when I take this measurement from here to here, if it's like 25.5 dead on or something, I'll go 24.25 because I'm gonna have 1/2 inch coming up this wall anyway. So it doesn't matter, I don't have to be super tight there. So in order to avoid aggravation, I'll just cut it a hair short and then bring this next piece up and I don't have to worry about it. With the slanted ceilings like this, you don't really have to bevel the cuts or anything because when I spackle, I'll just fill that mud in and then I get like the nicer corner beads instead of just the paper. I just jam the mud in and I put the corner beads in, it comes out perfectly fine. With these like pitched roof Jubilee houses type. But other than that, you want like five screws on each stud. We're gluing it behind. And that's about it, get it done.
Break it down for us, Mike. What are you doing?
Trying to get the screws out of the box. It's 100-year-old screws, but I'm taking this outlet off, wire nut in the box and throwing it in the wall. This is going to get eliminated later, but just not right now because it's running my bedroom lights.
So Mike gave me a tick tester that you can stick into the outlet like so, and if the outlet's live, it'll beep at you. but he went downstairs and flicked off the breaker.
No.
And electrocuted himself. What do you say, boss?
Wrap it up.
How we looking?
Good. We only got this wall and this wall. I'm not even gonna do the closet. I'll just re-screw it and re-spackle it. And that'll be it for this bedroom. Still spackle. I gotta cut some old work boxes in over here. So I cut an old work box in there. Old work box for the ceiling. That'll be pretty much it. On to the next one.
What do you got in your hair, dude?
Spackle or sheetrock dust.
I think it's liquid nails, actually.
Liquid nails. I'll
Yeah.
comb it out later.
You're gonna be like that girl from Louisiana.
Yeah.
The Gorilla Glue in her hair.
Yeah. That'll be me.
All right, that's Monday Night Drywall. Monday Night Dryball.
Done.